Learning how to rank YouTube videos can get you a lot of views and subscribers. Dwayne here with How to Grow on YouTube TV, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to rank videos on YouTube or how to rank your videos on YouTube. But before we get started, I have a quick message. Once again, my name is Dwayne with How to Grow on YouTube TV, and on this channel, we talk about everything you need to know to be successful on YouTube. This includes how to start a YouTube channel, how to do keyword research, how to get more views, how to get more subscribers, and how to make money on YouTube. If this sounds like something in which you're interested, be sure to subscribe to our channel by clicking the word subscribe below this video to the right, and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so if you learn how to rank YouTube videos, you can save yourself a lot of time and frustration. As a matter of fact, you can get a lot of views and subscribers as a result of ranking your YouTube videos. So in this video, I'm gonna talk about things that are working for me right now and give you 5 things that you can start doing right now so that you can learn how to rank YouTube videos. Okay, so the first step, if you wanna know how to rank YouTube videos, is to do keyword research. For me personally, that's where my video starts. My video starts with keyword research. I never turn on the camera before doing keyword research to decide if the video that I'm going to make, people are actually searching for that particular keyword. So you gotta start there. Every video starts with keyword research. A couple of my favorite tools to use for keyword research is vidIQ and TubeBuddy. I have links in the description below. It is free to download, and this is a Chrome browser plugin. It only works with Chrome. So you definitely need to download one or both of those keyword tools in order to get the information that you need regarding keywords so that you can decide to do your videos. The second thing to consider if you want to know how to rank YouTube videos is your video title. Your video title is very important. So after you do your keyword research, you want to make sure that you title your video the keyword or keywords that you're targeting. For example, this video's title is How to Rank YouTube Videos, and that happens to be the keyword that I want to get ranked for. So it's imperative that you title the video your keyword or keywords that you're trying to rank, and also use that keyword or keywords throughout the video. Okay, so the third thing that you want to consider if you want to know how to rank YouTube videos is to consider your video description. Your video description is another opportunity for you to include your keywords, and you definitely want to make sure that you do that in the first 157 characters of your video description. In other words, this is another opportunity to put your keywords there, because when people are scrolling up and down YouTube, they kind of see the first 157 characters as far as what the video is about. And this is once again another opportunity for you to put your keywords there, because this helps with ranking your videos on YouTube. The fourth thing that you want to consider if you want to know how to rank YouTube videos is your video tags. Now, tags are another word for keywords. This is very important because you can actually have up to 500 characters that you can put in different tags or different keywords in the tag section of your video upload. So be sure to take the time to do the keyword research once again and include some of those keywords in your tag section of the video upload in order to rank your videos on YouTube. Okay, so the fifth thing to consider if you want to know how to rank YouTube videos is to simply give it time. In order for your videos to get indexed into YouTube properly, you're going to need to give it some time. Sometimes it can take up to a month or a couple of months before your video is indexed properly into YouTube, which will allow you to rank somewhere in the top 20 videos. So I've experienced a couple of times where I uploaded a video and then out of nowhere, like a month later, 2 months later, the video starts to take off because the video is now ranked properly and it has proper placement in YouTube. So initially when you upload a video, YouTube kind of promotes your video for the first 48 to 72 hours, but after that, the video is kind of not necessarily, pushed as hard as it was in the beginning. So it's important that you're doing everything you need to do to make sure that your video is ranking on YouTube so that you can get more views and more subscribers. Thank you so much for watching this video about how to rank videos on YouTube. If you like the video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. It helps our channel quite a bit. And if you want to share this video with somebody that may find it helpful, please feel free to do so. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing to the channel, because on this channel, we talk about everything you need to know to be successful on YouTube. This includes how to start a YouTube channel, how to do keyword research, how to get more views, how to get more subscribers, and how to make money on YouTube. If this sounds like something in which you're interested, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Once again, my name is Dwayne with How to Grow on YouTube TV, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.